breaking news. Oh my God, I cannot believe what I've just heard. So I've just made a video about the delegates that are in Egypt and how they've been held at the checkpoint. Their phones have been confiscated. Some of them have been detained. Now they're being kettled. Yes, they're being kettled by the Egyptian police. I've just seen a short video and it is giving me heart palpitations. What you don't understand is this is not like being kettled in the UK. This is being kettled by the vicious Egyptian police. I'm going to attach a video at the end of this, but we need to start calling our embassies. We need to let them know. So whatever country you're in and you're watching this, call your embassies now. Our citizens are about to be kettled and attacked by the Egyptian police. I can't believe this. I'm literally heading to the Egyptian embassy now. I'll keep you guys updated if I learn more.